Hi everyone, this is Hema Malini from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School. How are you my dear children? I hope everyone will fine. You are all eating healthy food? I hope. Eat a healthy food because it will increase your immunity power. Okay? Everyone in your home, everyone is playing, yes, right? Some person is playing, some person is studying. Today we are going to see one beautiful subject. Okay, the subject which is interconnecting all the subject. The subject is none other than maths. What we are going to see now? Maths subject. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. Today we are going to see the subject maths. Everyone, I already asked you, everyone is playing, yes, right? Everyone playing, no, ma'am also today going to play. There is the slide is in the park. Today we are going to play in the slide. Okay, I have two objects in my hand. One is gift box, another one is what this is? Ball. Okay, I am going to keep this ball here. Shall we see what is going to happen now? Okay, the ball has rolled. Now I am going to keep the gift box. Shall we see what is going to happen now? Let's see. Children, did you notice this? I have two objects. One has rolled. One is not rolled. Why children? Why dear? Why one is not rolled, one is rolled? This is going to be our topic. Today I will say you the reason behind this. Today we are going to see the topic shapes. What? Shapes. Say now S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Okay children, name some of the shapes. Yes, tell me. Yes, okay, fine. Rectangle. Did you know the spelling? Tell. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. How it look like? How it look like? Yes, very good. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, say the next shape. Yes, very good. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. How it look like? It look like this, is right? See here, all the sides are equal in the square. Till another one is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. How it look like? Yes, very good. Tell the next one. Circle. Very good. What is the spelling of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Very good, my dear. Say another, some other. Yeah, yes, cylinder. Very good. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. How it look like? Two straight line. Here one oval shape, and top also you have one oval shape. Very good. Tell the next one. Cone. Very good. Super. C-O-N-E. Cone. Cone. It's look like one triangle. Below you have one oval shape. Okay. You said no. These are some shapes is here. Yes, right? Did you know the types of shape? I will teach you now. Shall we see the type of shape? Before that, see, I said no. Why the ball is roll and the gift box is not roll? Because of this is in a sphere shape, okay? Ball has a curved surface. It has a curved surface, so it roll. The gift box does not have a curved surface, so it went, not went roll. So it's not went roll. Okay, shall we see now the type of shapes now? Types of shapes? Okay, my dear. TYPES, types of shapes. SHAPES. Did you know how many type of shapes are there? There are 2 type of shape. What are these shape? One is 2 dimension, another one is 3 dimension. So what? One is 2 dimension. 2 dimension means we can call it as 2D, and 3 dimension we call as 3D. In the 2D dimension you have X and Y axis. X and Y axis. Only the 2 axes will present in the 2D. And in the case of 3D, you have 3 axes, X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Okay? So, shall we see what are the shape will come under the 3 dimension? Okay? Let's see now. So, under the 3D dimension, we have first one is cuboid. First one is what? Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. And the next is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. The next is cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. And the next is cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. At last we have sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Did you know how it's look like cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder and sphere? I will show you. See here, this is the shape of the cuboid. This is the shape of cube. And this is the shape of cone. This is the shape of cylinder. Sphere. Okay, see dear, this rectangle, square, triangle and circle all are belong to 2 dimension and these are belong to 3 dimension. See here, this rectangle, the 6 faces of rectangle I will show you. See here, 6 faces, 1, back side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 faces of rectangle form as cuboid. See here, this is the shape of square. Okay, the 6 faces of square make a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 6 faces form as a cube. Okay, what is the next one? This is a cone. See here, while you going for birthday party, they will give a birthday caps, right? This is the example for cone. And see this one. See the shape. This is the shape of our cylinder. Okay. See here. This is a curved surface. Below you have one oval shape. In the top also you have one circle or a oval shape. Okay. And see what is next one is a sphere. I will show you the difference between the circle and the sphere. Let me see here. So girl wear a bangle, is right? See here. Keeping a bangle and draw one circle means this only a circle. Okay. See here. The bangle is also not a example for circle because it has a width. Okay, it has a width. So you should not say bangle is a circle. Just drawing that circle only you have to say as a word is a circle. Then let me see the shape of sphere. See, this is the shape of sphere. So the difference between the circle and the sphere it has the same distance. Sphere has equidistance. Okay. Okay, fine children. Shall we see formulae for this shapes now? Oh. See, for rectangle I say two sides are equal. We say this as a length and this as a breadth. Okay, so L into B. In the square, all the sides are equal. So A square. So in a triangle, we have to calculate half a side. So 1/2 base into height. For a circle, pi r square. These two we will see in the 3 dimension. Okay. What I say to you, rectangle and cuboid come under the same family. Why? Because of the 6 faces of rectangle make cuboid. So L into B will same. Next write H. Then square and cube. The 6 faces of which one? Square make what? Cube. So A cube. The formula for cube is A cube. Here the formula for cone is 1/3 pi r square h, and formula for cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. I say you sphere and circle belong to same family. Yes, right? So that 4/3 pi r cube. So we see the 2-dimension shape and 3-dimension shape. Let's play one game now. Small game. It's just like a game only. See here. So here the puppy and ball. It's we going to play with this puppy and ball. See here. Start connecting myself. See here. I have 2 type of road. Okay. One this one. Another is this. Let's play a game now. So I am going to keep the ball here. The puppy is standing here. The puppy want to take the ball. How it will move? It goes and take one left turn. After it goes and take one right turn, take the ball and return back here. Let's see now here what is going to happen. Same. Puppy starts go and take a ball and return back here. Children, did you notice in this it went straight. In this it's turn and make a left turn and make a right turn and wait. Why? Why? Because of this is curved surface. In the curved surface it will not, it is a curved path. It should not walk in a straight. It can go taking a bend and taking a right turn and left turn only it will move. Not only puppy, everyone will move like that only. In the straight line, we can go in a straight way. I think you all understand this topic very well. Thank you, my dear.
Okay, children, let me recall the shapes now. Tell me how many shapes are there? Yes, there are a two type of shape. One is a two-dimensional and another one is a three-dimensional. See, here you have a few two-dimensional shapes are there. One is a square, another one is a rectangle, triangle and circle. See the next slide, you have a three-dimensional shapes here. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. Let me see now some of the three-dimensional shapes and their example. First you have a cone here. In the next you have the example of cone. You can see the example, one is a ice cream and another one is a birthday cap. Next you have the slide. In the slide you have what? Cube. Here you have the example of cube. One is a gift box and another one is a dice. Next you have sphere. In the next you have the example of sphere. What are this? Yes, this one is a orange and another one is a ball. In the next slide you have cuboid. Okay, cuboid. In the next you have the example of cuboid. See the example, one is a duster, another one is a that is one is cupboard. And the next you have cylinder. Okay, see the example of cylinder here. And the next is, now we're going to see a roll and slide. The object which have a curved face will roll. The object which has a flat face will slide. We already see the example is right. Ma'am has keep the ball on the slide. What it has done? Yes, it is roll and went. While I keep the gift box, how it is went? Yes, it has slide and went. See the next slide. You have some pic here. In this, one object is, first object is that ball. What? How it will go? Yes, it will roll and go. Next is you have a cube. How it will go? It will slide. Next is a cone. Cone will do both the action. If you keep in the side, it will roll. If you keep the base, it will slide. Next you have a sphere. How the sphere will move? It will roll and go. Next you can have a, what that one is? A cylinder. The cylinder also do the two things. It will roll and also it will slide. If you keep the flat surface, it will slide. If you keep the curved face, it will roll. Okay children, I think all understand this lesson. Okay, thank you.